Hello and welcome back to another Tuesday tour with your guide and realtor Nathan Mathisen. On the tour today, we have a 2-bed, 1-bath, 1,030 square foot home listed for $749,000 and only about a 2-minute walk to Greenlake and a 10-minute walk to Woodland Park Zoo. This home has had numerous updates done to it, one of which is those LVP floors. As you can see, you enter into the living room space, and there is one small bedroom on the main level here. This home is a clear condo alternative type. What I mean by that is that it would be great for someone who wants just a small space for themselves and doesn't want to have to deal with an HOA or all the potential special assessments that a condo might come with. You would own the dirt here and have the freedom to do what you want with it for the most part. Walking on through the kitchen, where you'll also find the bathroom, and then past the kitchen, you've actually got a small back deck that you can enjoy. Heading on downstairs, you've got the new flooring along with the second bedroom. This house has a whole lot of history hidden inside these walls, as it is believed to have moved from the waterfront of Greenlake to where it is today. However, digging into the title and tax records for this home, I really wasn't able to find much at all. The home has no sales history, which I found quite interesting, as originally I had assumed that someone had just bought it and remodeled it quickly to flip it. So unfortunately, this home has a few question marks to me. A fun fact though about Greenlake that I learned while researching is that in 1911, Greenlake was drained, lowering the water by 7 feet, and then was regraded and added an additional 100 acres of dry land to the area. Now that does it for the tour today. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you can take something away from this, and stay tuned later this week for my food review that I did in the neighborhood.